Okay, in this video I'm going to be looking at the speech recognition available in Windows, in Word specifically, how you can use the speech-to-text feature. So it is available up here on the taskbar. Up on the right has Dictate Voice, and it's very simple. Just click on it and it will start. I'm going to write a paragraph about my favorite vacation spot. My favorite vacation spot is Camden, Maine. Period. It is a beautiful, quaint New England town sitting on the Atlantic Ocean. Period. In addition to boating and swimming opportunities in the Atlantic, there are numerous lakes and ponds for additional recreational opportunities just a short drive away from Camden. Period. I enjoy swimming with my dog and hiking the trails in nearby Camden Hills State Park. There are also beautiful lighthouses and miles of unmatched scenery all around. Period. Many local restaurants are dog-friendly, allowing me to bring my four-legged best friend to sit by an outdoor table with me while I dine in the temperate weather. These are some of the many charming reasons I love to vacation in Camden, Maine. Period. So, as you can see, it wrote the paragraph. There is some punctuation. My editing self would want to do to this. So I guess if I spoke perhaps commas, it would add those in, but there would be editing, it looks like, for someone to do once this is written. Beautiful queen, I would put a comma there as well. New England town, sitting on the Atlantic Ocean. Well, that was still part of that same sentence, and it put a period where I did not intend one. In addition to boating and swimming opportunities. Yeah, it's got some periods in there, so it would be something that you would need to edit once you complete it, but it would save a whole lot of keystrokes in getting these thoughts on paper for users. So you just kind of have to go through it after it's done, or perhaps my dictation needs to change a little bit and add those punctuation. But I did add the periods in where I thought they belonged, but it's also inserted some additional ones as well. Looks like some points for additional yeah, let's put in some extra periods. I don't know why. Every time I have in, it started a new sentence. In nearby Camden Hills State Park. There are also beautiful lighthouses and miles of unmatched scenery all around. Many local restaurants are welcome. On me to bring my four-legged and perhaps best friend to sit by an outdoor table with me while I dine in. These are some of the many terms. Camden, and then they put a period between Camden and Maine. And also, as far as it's got Maine as M-E rather than, I guess in a typical paragraph you would write out the word. So, as I said, overall it does a whole lot of the writing for you, but there is definitely some editing to be done afterwards. So a user would have to be familiar with editing and able to do that, or perhaps, although did put some periods in where I didn't say anything about any punctuation. So editing is a definite need once you get the words down, but it does help. Everything is spelled correctly. So that is all a plus. Thank you for watching.